What song are you listening to, Alex?
I'd rather be with you.
I can't get it. And then you're dancing or singing, whatever. Let me see, sing again. Start it all over. See, I told you didn't know all the words, Alex.
With you, yeah. Me, come on.
These are gross. These guys are gross.
With you, yeah. Mom, does anything in it, like the eating sun?
Son, I don't know. Open it. Go plug it in. Go try it out. What's that electric slide, Alex, that you know?
Huh?